peeps, welcome back to Project Anonymous, and in today's video,
we're going to get into cutting some clear acrylic using our new ONYX R.
So let's get to it.
So now that we're in LightBurn, we're going to import a design and trace the individual pieces of it. We're going to add an offset, which will be the line that actually cuts the acrylic. We also need to create a base for the cake topper, which is what will actually hold it in place on the cake. Now we're going to use the same process but for a text design. Finally, we'll just verify and adjust our settings. So now to prepare for painting, we're going to tape off everywhere we don't want the spray paint to hit. Now we're going to take off the tape that's covering where we want to paint. And this cupcake will have multiple layers of paint, so we're going to have to repeat the taping process.
So the cake toppers turned out really cool, and I think this process of using the paint and the acrylic is very versatile, and you can make keychains to signs with it.
Yeah, also what's versatile is this Monport ONYX RCO2 laser, which you saw just cuts through a clear acrylic like butter. If you'd like to get this machine or any other machine on the Monport website, go ahead and use our discount code below to get 10% off.
Anyways, thanks so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please like it if you liked it.
Like it,
Subscribe if you enjoy our content.
subscribe,
And turn on those notifications so you're reminded every single time we post a video. Stay crafty.
and be happy.
Bye!